Okay, in order to clean up disk space on a Mac, there's this cool tool that you can find at this site. It's Disk Inventory X. So if we download this, this is going to give us a visual representation of all the files that are currently on the hard drive or SSD. In my case, I'm using an old MacBook Air, and it has an SSD, but it's fairly small. It's only 128 gig. I think it's 128 gigabytes. So it was always a hassle trying to keep enough free space. So I have the security set to not allow anything to be installed that wasn't from the App Store or from an identified developer. So if you open System Preferences by hitting Command Spacebar and then typing System Preferences, you can go in here to the Security and Privacy. And normally down here, we'll click this to be able to edit, but normally at the bottom you see the ability to open anyway. Whoops, I typed my password wrong. Okay, so let's no, let's try doing that again. So click OK. Run it again while that's open. Now you can see in that window it says open anyway. But we're getting the same result, but there we go, open anyway. And I might have to click, I don't think it's going to do anything. I might have to get rid of this window, click OK, and then click open anyway. And open. There we go. So this is showing all the available drives. Several of these are just mounted images. My OBS installation images, and then so I removed those, and now you see the application DMG that's mounted there as Disk Inventory X. But select the correct drive for your machine. In my case, it's that Macintosh HD, and you select it, just click open volume, and now it's going to run the analysis on the drive. Okay, now that it ran, we have kind of this visual representation of all the files on the right. And then we have a list on the left of all the files and folders, and kind of ranked by size. So this information window you can use to just gather information about what you're looking at, where it's located. That's probably the main thing you would look at. It does show that. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, just you would sort through. This will allow you to find thing, and I would focus kind of in your documents folder, or like in my case, I had a lot in the movies, whatever they are, a bunch of video files taking up a lot of space. So inside the documents folder, focus on the larger files. It's showing the size in that second column. But here you can select the file and then reveal in Finder if you want to have the application take you to right where the file is. Maybe it's showing something in a place that you're not aware, you're not very familiar with. And then the other option is to just delete it directly from within that, or go over to the Finder window and delete it from there. It'll move it to the trash. And then obviously you have to empty the trash to be able to actually free up space. So even if you move all these to the trash, it's not freeing the space on the drive. But yeah, you can see that